Hey everyone, welcome back to Appify. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies with the top 8 crypto apps that you need to know about in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, these apps will help you navigate the exciting world of digital assets. Let's get started. Coming in at number 1 is Coinbase. It's one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. Coinbase offers a wide range of coins and tokens, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced traders alike. Number 2 is Binance, a global leader in cryptocurrency exchange. It boasts a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features, and low fees, making it a favorite among experienced traders. However, it's important to note that Binance has faced regulatory challenges in some jurisdictions. At number 3, we have Kraken, known for its security and compliance. It offers a variety of trading options, including margin trading and futures, catering to both beginners and advanced traders. Kraken also provides excellent customer support. Coming in at number 4 is Crypto.com, offering a user-friendly app with a focus on rewards. It provides a debit card linked to your crypto holdings, allowing you to spend your cryptocurrencies in everyday transactions. Crypto.com also offers a range of financial products, including staking and lending. Number 5 is eToro, a popular platform for social trading. It allows you to copy the trades of experienced traders, making it a good option for those new to crypto investing. eToro offers a variety of cryptocurrencies and other assets such as stocks and ETFs. At number 6 is Robinhood, known for its commission-free trading. While primarily focused on stocks, Robinhood has expanded into cryptocurrency trading. It offers a simple interface and is a good choice for beginners looking to dip their toes into the crypto world. Coming in at number 7 is Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins. It's known for its security and compliance, making it a trusted choice for many investors. Gemini offers a range of cryptocurrencies and trading options, including margin trading and custody services. And finally, at number 8 is Bybit, a powerful mobile-first platform for experienced traders. Bybit offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features like perpetual and futures contracts, and a user-friendly interface specifically designed for active traders. However, it's important to note that Bybit may not be suitable for beginners due to its complexity. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, so always do your own research before investing. This list is just a starting point to help you explore the world of crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.